Alright everybody, in today's video we are going to be using a push button this time to actuate a buzzer. So as the circuit is right now, we're going to have our source. Push button has an open. If it's not being pressed down, the circuit is incomplete. And as soon as we push down the switch, again, I pretend like this is a wire, then the circuit will be able to be completed and we'll get current flowing through our buzzer, causing it to make a noise. So before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at our simulation schematic. Alright, this is using a push button switch to actuate the buzzer. So like the previous videos, we have our main power switch here. And then the buzzer is just hooked up to a push button. It's not pushed here. Now it's pushed. Not pushed, push, push, push. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this on. Remember that each resistor has 1.5 volts across it, so that's how I'm getting the 3 volts here. As expected, nothing's happening. And okay, let's go and turn the unit on. Still nothing. And every time I push the push button, it should make a noise from the buzzer. So there we go. 1. If I hold it down, there you go. Alright, let's get to building our circuit. Remember, power off. I'm even disconnected right now. Okay. Each one of these resistors has 1.5 volts across it. So we want 3 volts. So we're going to be going from 3 volts to our push button. So I'm just going to put this push button right there. Right in line with the 3 volts. And then on the other side of our switch will be our red wire to our buzzer. So 3 volts, other side. And then we'll ground it, completing our circuit. Alright, so over here, let me really fast. So when I push this button, that will then allow current to flow across the switch and then into the wire, completing the circuit. So let's go ahead. Circuit shut off. Power is applied. And right now, we should get nothing. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to power on our unit. Nothing. Okay. Now, every time I push this button, I should get a beep. If I hold it, it should stay on as long as I hold it. Just like that. Or we could pulse it.